Is it comfortable to be on top of someone just to eat? And it's enough bowls to everyone, but like I said, Black Friday syndrome. Everybody goes to the same spot. Larhan, Larhan. Also in Safar puppy. Your oldest. You was born December 3rd. And other puppy is born December 9. But puppy Murat and puppy Mira, they're probably same height and weight as Larhan. Look at him. I specifically put it in a corner so they're not going around and not pushing it. No matter how I put it, they still do this. Why not to go from this side? Nope. I gave them this box to block the wind going inside of the doghouse, and also so they can play and chew. And they chew this and they rip a little bit of a cardboard, so they have some fun. I cleaned the toilet 3 hours ago. I need to clean it again. Mansoor, you're such a communicative guy. Midgar. Hey, hamster. Hey, hamster. This puppy is Mirbet. He's already seems like changing colors. His undercoat is still a little bit gray, but he does look like a ivory color for me. Adorable puppy. You adorable too. Yes, Murat, you're adorable. And none of the puppy are black and white, like Mama. Our dogs have a puppies once a year. So Aina always have puppies in the same time. So when I will choose a stud for her for the next time, then she hopefully will have puppies again in November, December. I have some studs in the mind. I'm waiting for a health result on them. Hip elbows. They did pass the DNA testing for disease. So I'm waiting for their hips and elbows results. Once I will decide who I will breed with who, I will publish all this information on our website. Maybe I will breed Gula too, first time. And I have some studs in my mind, so we'll see. Oh, drinking so fast. What's up?